Hi there and welcome to this lecture. I know you've been using Facebook for years. I have been using Facebook for up to 11 years. Can you believe how much time passes quickly? Well, yeah. So you've been on Facebook for years. You use it to communicate with your friends, maybe to spy on your high school crush, maybe to let your family who lives abroad check out the photos of your children. You like your friends' photos, you congratulate them on their achievements. Maybe you use Facebook to check out your celebrities or to check out the latest memes. In simpler words, you use Facebook for fun. Facebook is not a traditional advertising platform. Facebook is an entertainment platform. And in order to master Facebook ads, you should understand this fact very well. People are on Facebook to have fun, to laugh, and to enjoy their times. They are not there to buy. Because if they wanted to just buy something, they would go to Amazon, to eBay, and not to Facebook. A successful Facebook ad is an ad that can give Facebook users what they are seeking: entertainment. So you need to create an entertaining ad, something that the audience you are targeting enjoy seeing. Facebook wants to see people interacting with your ad, clicking on the links, commenting, liking, and sharing. Facebook wants to improve its users' experience. The more engagement you get on your ad, the more Facebook will know that your ad is well received by its users. So Facebook will show it to more people. Your ad cost will go down and your profit will directly go up. Try to create an awesome video and a creative ad copy to make people enjoy their time while seeing your ads. Because if your ad copy is boring, people will just keep scrolling and your CTR will go down and the ad cost will skyrocket. So your aim is to find an outstanding offer, to optimize your ad copy, your video or image, and to choose a perfect target audience. Then and only then we will start talking about making money through advertising on Facebook, and about using the amazing features of the Facebook Ads tool to scale your business. Facebook Ads Manager is one of the smartest marketing tools, and it holds many fascinating options, and one of its most powerful options is the one that allows you to target people that are similar to the ones that already bought from you. This feature, if done well, will definitely decrease your ad costs and increase your profits. In this masterclass, we will explore everything related to Facebook ads, starting by how to design your ad photo and your ad video, and how to write your ad text, and how to use Facebook ads to target exactly the right people. Also, we will see how to use effectively the retargeting, and how to use Facebook Pixel and the lookalike audience to boost your business, and many other topics that will let you master Facebook ads and skyrocket your sales. So why I am telling you all of this at the beginning of this course instead of waiting for later? Well, because Udemy will be asking you soon to review and rate this course. And before reviewing and rating my course, I want to make sure that you are aware of the great and valuable information you are going to acquire through this masterclass. Your reviews and your ratings, hopefully positive reviews and 5 stars ratings, mean too much to me. And they are the reason why I keep always creating and publishing new courses. Each review you leave and each rating you leave is very valuable to me, and it gives me the energy to always create high quality courses with important and interesting topics. So thank you in advance for your ratings and your reviews, and let's meet in the next lecture.